Since day one, what have I been telling you? Surprise your listeners! Just delight them with the unexpected. Well, I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude. Yeah, I've been rocking major market mics since 15, and I am turning the tables on you today, and I've got my very own surprise for you. I have been diligently working behind the scenes to put something together that I really hope you dig. And I think it's a long time coming. It's a special spot just for us. Yes, pull the curtain back. Hey, it's me. I am launching a membership community. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, what YouTuber doesn't try to lure you into their $59 a month school community? Well, none of that nonsense. That's bunk. But what isn't a hunk of bunky junk is what I've got in store for our little cool community. Yes, you are going to have access to fresh members only content, exclusive radio prompts, and even better than that, we are all going to get together virtually on a monthly Zoom call where we can share ideas. We'll bring on cool people to interview, some real radio heavy hitters. We're all going to learn from each other. And yeah, definitely, there's going to be audio teardowns where you share your promos or your breaks or just, station imaging, and we're all going to work together to build it up and make you sound that much better. And of course, any community needs a place to run their mouth. There's going to be a cool forum where all of us passionate radio peeps can gather and just talk shop. Now, with that being said, I already know what you're thinking. Oh my goodness, Jeff, that's definitely worth $99 a month. And I would not argue with you. You are so right. But while I really appreciate you're willing to fork over 99 smithereens every month, I'm going to make you an incredible offer. Forget about that. I'll knock $90 off that price and write down an exclusive offer for my Founding 50. What is the Founding 50? Well, it's the first 50 people who come over here, jump on this wait list. It doesn't cost you a dime, and once the doors open and you actually say, heck yeah, you raise your hand, you swipe your card, and you say, I want to be a proud member of this community, well then you will be locked in at the Founder 50 forever price of $9 a month. Never going to go up on you. But what is going to go up is your opportunity to just, again, connect with a lot of like-minded people like you and a chance to up your game. Learn some tips and tricks to improve your sound and only get better. That's really what I hope this community becomes, because I feel there's only so much we can do in these YouTube videos. And for one, it's just me running this big, hot air trap. And there's no way for you to chime in except in the comments. Well, forget about that. I want there to be a real-time exchange. I want to hear what you have to say. I want all of us to learn from each other. And that's what this community really has to offer, I feel. So if you are motivated to spring to action and become one of the very proud and few Founding 50 members, well, you jump right here to this very address. Link is in the description. Oh my goodness, and I totally buried the lead. What a horrible salesperson I am. I'm mainly just concerned of telling you what this is all about and all the perks and fun features. But no. The most important thing for those Founding 50 who actually do become members of the group, I have got an exclusive prompt pack. 10 brand new prompts, never seen before. Maybe they'll be released in a future pack, but they're free for you. And also another fun goodie, which will be later decided when I could think of another fun goodie. And I'd be so honored for your support, and I'd love just to mix it up with you. Again, check out the link right down there in the description, and hopefully we get at least 50 people to join this nutty thing. And if we do, bam, those doors are gonna fly open and we are just gonna chop it up. All things radio, that's right, all radio, all the time. So I can't wait to see you over there, and hopefully this thing actually takes off. If you enjoyed any of this, a like and subscribe would be so appreciated, and so would your name on the very free wait list right down here. I am Jeff, the radio DJ dude, and until our next little radio rendezvous, which will definitely be packed with more fun tips and tricks. What do I say at the end? Oh yes, keep rocking those mics all over the world.